Imagine if your biological sex wasn't just stamped into your DNA. What if your mom's diet could flip the script before you're even born? Sounds wild, right? But a jaw-dropping new study just showed exactly that, in mice. Okay, here's the scoop. Scientists found that when pregnant mice didn't get enough iron, a mineral you probably think about in the context of spinach or those prenatal vitamins, their genetically male babies sometimes turned out female. Fully functional females. We're talking ovaries, not testes, all because of one missing nutrient. So, how does this happen? Let's zoom in on the molecular machinery. Usually, if you're a mammal with a Y chromosome, you've got the SRY gene, a kind of master switch for making you male. But SRY doesn't just flip itself on, it's actually locked up tight, thanks to a molecular do not disturb sign called H3K9Me2. To unlock it, cells need an enzyme named KDM3A. But here's the catch. KDM3A can only do its job if there's enough iron in the cell. No iron, no unlocking, no SRY. At a critical moment in development, cells destined to become testes go all in on iron. They crank up genes to import and process it, and they even shut off the iron export. These cells end up with almost twice as much iron as their neighbors, just to power that one enzyme and activate the male program. But what if iron runs out? Well, that's where things get weird. In one experiment, researchers genetically blocked iron from getting into these cells. Iron levels dropped by half, and suddenly the SRY gene stayed silent. About 15% of those genetically male mice developed ovaries and uteruses instead. In a second test, scientists used a chemical to suck iron out of developing gonads. The result? SRY plummeted by 80%, and most of those XY gonads started showing female markers. Add iron back in though, and male development kicked right back on. Now here's the kicker. Even a simple low-iron diet, combined with a small genetic tweak in the KDM3A enzyme, could flip some male embryos to female. This isn't just about genes or just about environment, it's the combo that matters. Why does this shake up everything we thought we knew? First, over a third of pregnancies worldwide are affected by iron deficiency. This study hints that iron might be quietly guarding fetal sex development too. Second, unexplained cases of human differences of sex development, those medical mysteries, might sometimes trace back to a mom's iron levels. And finally, if iron can rewrite the rules for sex, what about other nutrients? Welcome to the era of nutritional epigenetics, where diet can literally change gene expression. So next time you think biology is all about DNA, remember, a sprinkle of iron at the right time can rewrite the code. Nature, it seems, always keeps a few tricks up its sleeve.